Welcome to Adi's Adventures.
Hi, my name is Adi.
Yeah, Adi, what you're going to show today?
My big train.
Yeah,
The
today.
locomotive train.
Yeah, Adi gonna show us today his Gaint train set, the Silverado Express wireless remote control train set. So it has a locomotive. It has locomotive, coal tender, oil tanker, gondola, caboose, boxcar, and 12 road signs, 18 curved tracks, 8 straight tracks, 1 crossover track, and then 1 wireless remote control. This wireless remote control can go forward, backward, stop, and it has operating headlights too. And this, can you turn this Adi back? So it has operating headlight, and on the locomotive it has one bell. This can be turned there on locomotive for on and off function. Power indicator lights up when the train is on, and it has auto coupling. And this train needs 4C batteries, whereas a remote needs 1. And this train can also be operated without the remote control with the help of this bell. If you turn, then it's on and off function, and when we hear one button will be there. If you push that button down, then it goes forward, and it can be able to go back or sounds without the remote control. If you have a remote control, it can go front, back, and it's also make noise. And these tracks can be laid out in 3 ways: loop form, or oval shape, or circle. Here and it also have some signs, road signs. These already Adi has set up his train and the track in a loop form. Look at this, how giant it is. It's a big track. It goes like this, it goes like that, like this. And some here road signs are there. Do you want to put the road signs, Adi? And this is a locomotive, and it has light over here. Beep 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 beep. Light over here.
Oh God.
And here bell. We can see clearly on and off. And if we push this without the remote control, it cannot go. First you have to turn this bell on side.
Hey, look, that's light.
And then light is on. When the train is on, the light will lights up.
Hey, let's drive.
And if you press this, it gonna go.
The tires are not moving.
Train is moving. Yeah, this is a remote control, wireless remote control. With the help of this, the train gonna go front, back, and we can stop. This is forward, backward, and we can stop, and it can make a sound.
Two sounds.
So yeah, it gonna make 2 sounds. All aboard.
It made 2 sounds.
Yes, it makes 2 sounds. And we can stop. It can go backward. Can it go backwards?
Show you.
Yeah, it's going backwards. With the remote, it can be done.
Yeah.
The light is on.
When I push backwards, it's doing it.
Yeah.
When I push backwards, it's doing
Yeah. Now Adi's pressing front. Can you press front?
Oh yeah, it worked.
Yeah. Can you put the signs there?
Where?
Wherever you want. Yeah, from this you can stop Adi. With the remote you can stop it. Press middle one. Yeah, like that. It can stop.
Still on.
Mm-hmm.
All aboard.
Road signs doesn't go there, Adi. Why you are putting there?
This door doesn't open.
Road signs goes on road, right?
Yeah, but also goes here, so it stops the vehicles. And also goes over here too. It goes over here so they can just get to the station, so they can make the other guys to.
Oh, Adi is taking all the signs to the station.
Yeah. The station is.
Do you want to play with your toys?
Yeah.
Can you play?
It's right here.
Yeah, Adi bought a lot of toys to play with the cars and trains.
I already put one car now. Oh, and they put two cars. Two cars. I put in a dump truck. I put two cars in.
Where are you going with the car and dump truck? Where are you going, Adi?
To the station.
To the station? Where is the station?
Right here.
Here. So the vehicles are going to drop
This is
here.
the station place.
This is the station.
Go
Oh.
for the car.
Adi is saying this is a station.
Drive away, cars.
Bye bye drum truck. Bye drum truck.
They had to park first.
Oh, bye car.
The parking. They had to.
He's putting some more
It's not
vehicles.
Mama, I can't get anyone a good car.
He's searching for the cars.
This car. I can put a small car right here. Three cars now. Our place.
He's taking all the cars to the station. All aboard. You can stop it from the remote, Adi. You can stop it from the remote. This is for off.
No, we can off the train sound. We can't.
If you off that, it gonna stop, Adi.
When I stop it, then it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Turn the wheel, it's not going to work.
Adi is taking out the vehicles. He's saying that the station is arrived.
This is a small car, and this is a big car.
Do you want to say bye? Adi is going to play with the train, and he's very busy with the train. He keep on playing with this. Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video,
Please subscribe.
bye.